Phone's ringing. You need to answer that. I think it's a telemarketer. Come over and grab it. What do you say? Shut up!
I'm free, dang it.
You want me to pull it?
That's so tight, man.
What the hell are you staring at? It's just a wall.
Everybody was kung fu fighting.
Try to give it a banana. Here. Do you like that? Oh! You got it. No, you smacked it. Ew. Oh, shit!
It's attacking me!
I'm cold! Oh my god! You're fine.
Can I get a oh yeah?
There's a fucking... Oh my god!
Yes, hello? Is this the vet? Oh yeah, for Sam? Yeah, I'll take her right now. Is she gonna get shot? Oh, she's gonna get 10 shots. Okay, I'll take her right now.
If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know it, clap your motherfucking hands. If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know it, clap your motherfucking hands. If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know it, and you really motherfucking wanna motherfucking show it. If you're motherfucking happy and you motherfucking know it, clap your motherfucking hands.
Oh yeah, that's my fluffy toy. I know you didn't just throw. Did you just throw my fluffy toy, man? Oh, so that's what we doing? We throwing other people's stuff? Okay, well catch this. It ain't funny when I throw stuff you like, huh?